We acknowledge the arrival of our Regional Director, Dr. Alvaro B.C. Torrio, together with our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong. Good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. Of course, we also acknowledge the presence of our Schools Division Superintendent in the City of Alaminos. So we have
of course, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, together with Mr. Aguido C. Fernandez,
we would like to acknowledge as well the presence of Sir Mateo Marcos Manotoc, Senior, Board Member of Ilocos Norte. Good afternoon po.
may we request all the schools division superintendents to please come up the stage and occupy the respective posts. Again, we are requesting all the school division superintendents to please come up the stage and occupy the respective posts.
May we request all Assistant Schools Division Superintendents to please occupy the seats at the left side of the stage. Thank you.
Course, may request also the presence of the supervisors of Alameda City Division to please occupy the seats to my right. We acknowledge the presence of our City Councilor, Honorable Marjelu Orange Humilde Versosa. we acknowledge the arrival of our City Mayor, Arthur F. Celeste. We will start the program in 2 minutes. our host City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, City Vice Mayor Anton Perez, local government unit officials of Alaminos City,
to our Deputy Regional Director, Dr. Alma Robisi Torio, CESO 3, our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas T. Capulong, CESO 5, Dr. Edelberto Arabalos, Education Program Supervisor and Head of the R1A Technical Committee,
our host schools division superintendent, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5, Mr. Aguido C. Fernandez, OIC, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Arturo R. Veray, Chief SGOD, Dr. Wilfredo E. Sindayen, Chief CID, Mr. Alcantara, Division Sports Officer,
Regional Office Delegates, Schools Division Superintendents, Assistant Schools Division Superintendents,
Division Sports Officers, Education Program Supervisors of the different learning areas, technical officials, school heads, coaches, trainers, athletes, guests, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The grandest and biggest sporting event in the region has finally come to an end. Alaminos City Division has finally accomplished what seemed to be far-fetched at the outset. That is, hosting the Region 1 Athletic Association Meet 2018. Truly, the entire Alaminos community made a remarkable choice, took a notable chance, and achieved exceptional change.
One DepEd, one region, nurturing and transforming lives through sports comes in full circle as we give due recognition to the delegations that performed well in this year's R1AA Meet. Before the 14 delegations go back to their respective cities and municipalities, together as one DepEd family in the region, we gather once again for this momentous sporting event.
I am Laura.
I am Miriam.
We are your hosts. This is the closing and awarding ceremonies for Region 1 Athletic Association Meet 2018. And to formally start our program, may I request everyone to please rise for the doxology, to be followed by the singing of the patriotic song to be rendered to us by Alaminos City National High School's Angklung Ensemble. Thank you very much. Alameda City National High School's Angklung Ensemble. I'd like also to acknowledge the presence of our Vice City Mayor, Anton Perez. At this juncture, let us listen to the words of the man of the hour who was instrumental in making this sporting event possible. I am referring no less to the pillar of the host city, Honorable City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. Let's give him a resonating applause.
Thank you, sir. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Bago po ko magbigay ng maiksing mensahe, gusto ko pong bigyang galang at biyang pugay ang ating kapartner sa Department of Education. Pinangungunahan po ito ng ating masipag na Direktor, Director Alma Rubitorio. Ma'am, palakpakan po natin. At syempre po, ang ating Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas Capulong, sir. Sa 14 na Schools Division Superintendent na nandito po sa taas, hindi ko na po isa-isahin sila at kilala naman po natin sila, palakpakan po natin. Sa lahat po ng mga Schools Division, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent na nandito po sa oras na ito, sa ating pong Vice Alcalde, Vice Mayor Anton Perez. Nandito po ang ating bisita na galing pa ng Ilocos Norte. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Board Member Mateo Marcos Manotok, sir. Nandito rin po ang aming masipag na City Councilor Orange Bersosa. Sa lahat ng mga technical staff, manlalaro, my family in the LGU, at sa ating pong lahat na nandito sa hapon na ito, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. 5 araw po tayong nagsama-sama para ipakita ang talento ng bawat atleta sa buong Region 1. Ang aming pong lungsod, kasama ko po ang lahat ng opisyales ng aming lungsod. Kasama ko po si Vice Mayor Anton Perez at ng aming mga local officials. Siyempre po kasama ko po si Dr. Danilo Sison at ng buong staff ng Alaminos City Division's Office. Kami po ay sobrang nagpapasalamat sa inyo at pinasaya nyo po ang aming lungsod ng 5 araw na naipakita natin ang pagkakaisa ng buong rehiyon sa larangan po ng sports. So sa lahat po ng mga tumanggap ng medalya, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Kasama ko po ang buong lungsod ng Alaminos na bumabati sa inyo. Doon naman po sa mga hindi pinalad na hindi tumanggap ng medalya, congratulations din po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po tayo sa R1AA na event na ito ay panalo. Buong Region 1 po ay panalo sa palarong ito at ito po ang unang hagdan para po paghandaan natin ang palarong pambansa. Ito pong susunod na buwan ng Abril. So sama-sama po tayong ipakita sa buong Region 1 ang ating pagkakaisa, ang ating pagmamahalan, ang ating sama-samang advokasya na gusto nating palakasin ang sports sa buong Region 1. Alam po ninyo, napakahirap po palang mag-host ng R1AA napakarami pong mga sakripisyo, pero kami po ay natutuwa, kami po ay masayang-masaya dahil nung binigyan po ninyo kami ng pagkakataon at oportunidad, Director Alma, na mag-host ng R1AA, marami po kaming natutunan sa 5 araw na tayo ay nagsama-sama. Nakita po namin ang kahalagahan ng sports, nakita po namin ang pagkukulang ng lokal na pamahalaan, at siyempre po sa DepEd, kailangan nila ng ating mga atleta ang suporta ng buong lungsod ng Alaminos at ganun din po sa inyo. At ito pong mga bagay na ito ang aming natutunan sa 5 araw na tayo po ay nagsama-sama bilang isang pamilya at sama-sama na naipakita ang ating mga talento sa larangan ng palakasan. So humingi po kami ng paumanhin at pangunawa kung ano man po sana ang pagkukulang namin bilang host ng R1AA 2018. Kasama ko po ang aming Vice Mayor Anton Perez, at syempre po ganun din kami ni Sir Danny, na sana po maintindihan ninyo at sana po maunawaan ninyo dahil lahat naman po tayo ay hindi perpekto. Bayaan nyo po sa mga susunod na taon na muli po nyo kaming pagbibigyan ng mag-host uli ng R1AA, pipilitin po at gagawin po namin ang aming makakaya para po aming pag-igihan ang pagsisilbi sa inyo at pag-host sa inyo pagdating po ng panahon. So yun lang po ang aking mensahe sa ating lahat. Muli po kong personal na nagpapasalamat sa Department of Education sa inyo pong pagbigay sa amin ng oportunidad para po mag-host ng R1AA. Napakaraming eksperyensya kaming natutunan, o lahat tayo na nandito ngayon na kasama sa programang ito. So hindi po namin makakalimutan ito, at ito po you made part of the history of our city. You made part of the history of our district, because this is the first time in the history of the first district and the city of Alaminos to host R1AA. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Muli, sa lahat po ng tumanggap ng mga medalya, congratulations. Doon po sa mga hindi pinalad, mayroon pa pong susunod na taon, pag-igihan po natin, but still, panalo pa rin po kayo dahil tayo po ay naglaro ng tama, tayo ay naglaro ng parehas, ipinakita natin ang ating kakayahan bilang isang mabuting manlalaro. Mabuhay po tayo, mabuhay po ang Region 1, mabuhay po ang Department of Education. Siyempre, kapartner po, lagi ninyo, ibilang po lagi ninyo, especially in the city of Alaminos, ibilang po ninyo na kapamilya ninyo ang local government unit sa buong Region 1, lalong-lalo na po ang Schools Division Office dito po sa lungsod ng Alaminos. Maraming salamat po and God bless.
And with that, we are indeed very optimistic and we look forward for more and bigger events to happen in our beloved Alaminos City. Thank you very much, sir. Once again, shall we give another resounding applause to our dear City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste. And now, let us witness a dance number, an evolution of dances actually, care of Dr. Orlando I. Guerrero, Education Program Supervisor in Araling Panlipunan, and the chairperson of Cultural Presentations. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the selected teachers of Alaminos City Division.
Introducing.
Let the bass kick.
Ay nagulat nang buksan ang pinto. Sayaw ng mga tao'y biglang nahinto. Buhok mo'y Gucci, talang pa kay Gucci. Supot mo'y kawali kito'y tinanggaling kay Eloy. Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay. Bongga kaday, sige lang, itaas ang kilay.
From the street to the club, let's get it. From the islands in the Pacific, red ribbon, cake, let's get it. Who am I get low, you with it? Get down, gather round, up and down, in and out. It don't matter where you are, feel it like a all-star. Shoot right out. Shoot right out. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up.
Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grang. Get ready
for recommendation. You come with qualification. You already know the program. You will run the town. They say you're a monster. A monster. Why now? Why now?
Show them you go, girl. Money, get money, money, get money. Money, get money, money, get money. Money, get money, money, get money. Pocket, 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 money, get money, money, get money.
Thank you very much to the talented teachers of Alamino City Division. What about another round of applause to them? I also would like to acknowledge the presence of the City Mayor of Dagupan, Honorable Belen Fernandez.
Good afternoon po.
And now, let us listen to the words of DepEd Regional Director, Dr. Alma Ruby C. Torio, CESO 3. Let us give her a resonating applause.
Maraming salamat po. Please allow me also to recognize our officials on stage, led of course by our host City Mayor, Mayor Art Celeste, Vice Mayor Jose Antonio Miguel Perez, our ARD Nick Capulong. Let me also give my special recognition to Board Member Matthew Marcos Manotoc, and of course Mayor Belen Fernandez, Councilor Versosa, and our superintendents. Let me start with the superintendent of the host division, Superintendent Danny Sison, Superintendent Sheila Primicias of San Carlos City, Superintendent Fatima Buado. Pag narinig nyo yung division nyo, pumalakpak naman kayo. Checking of attendance na to. And presentation. Ulit. Superintendent of San Carlos City, Superintendent Sheila Primicias, Superintendent of San Fernando City, Superintendent Fatima Buado. Thank you. Superintendent of Pangasinan 2, Attorney Don Balderas. Thank you. Superintendent of Pangasinan 1, Superintendent Celia Joy Fernandez. Thank you. Superintendent of Ilocos Norte, Superintendent V. Eda. Thank you. Superintendent of Dagupan City, Superintendent Lorna Bugayong. Superintendent, ulitin ko, Superintendent ng Alamino City, Superintendent Dami Sison. Superintendent of Batac City, Superintendent Joan Corpus. Superintendent of Ilocos Sur, Superintendent Gemma Takuykuy. Superintendent of La Union, Superintendent Ruena Banzon. Superintendent of Urdaneta City, Superintendent Glo Torres. And the Superintendent of Candon City, Superintendent George Renante. Assistant Superintendent of Vigan City, Assistant Superintendent Mileneo Palma. Ba talaga yung huli, no? Lahat ba natawag? Hindi, anong division ang hindi natawag? And of course, our assistant superintendents, to all our players, athletes, coaches, technical officials, chaperones, all other guests, muli, isang magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I have to thank all of you for being here for our closing program. So the competitions are over. I hope you have found our 2018 Region 1 Athletic Association meet here at Alaminos City, the home of 100 Islands, enriching and fulfilling. And I do hope that you found time also to enjoy the place. So, sino pa ang hindi nakapunta sa 100 Islands? Ako konti na lang, ibig sabihin karamihan pumunta na sa 100 Islands. Yung mga hindi pa nakapunta, pwede pa po kayong maiwan. That is kung payag si Superintendent. But I know most of you will be going back to your respective division. Okay, in my earlier speeches, I was able to thank the superintendents and the other officials, our LGUs who supported the athletes in their participation to this 2018 R1AA. But today, I would like to thank another group. No? I would like to thank all our athletes. Nasaan yung mga athletes natin? Palakpakan natin yung mga athletes natin. Okay, maraming salamat at pag-uwi ninyo, may pasalubong ba kayo sa mga magulang ninyo at sa mga kapatid? O, parang marami kayong binigay na allowance sa kanila. Okay. At gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga coaches. Where are the coaches? The coaches. Okay, thank you, coaches. Our technical officials. Our chaperones. The school heads who are here. Maraming salamat sa inyo. You know, for the past few days, you have been competing with each other. And you have tried your very best. Okay? You know, your superintendents, assistant superintendents, kasama rin kami ni ARD at yung mga kasama natin sa regional office. Kasama na yung mga taga rito sa Alaminos City at yung mga pamilya ninyo. No? At lahat ng mga nanood. We are very much amazed. We are so proud of all the athletes, including the coaches, for you have given your very best. Sabi nga ni Mayor kanina, kung pwede lang na lahat kayo manalo. But of course, kaya ako pinapahaba yung message ko kasi pinapakalma ko kayo. Kasi after my message will be the announcement of 5 major awards and I don't know, ilang minor awards. So kalmado lang muna kayo ha. At ako nai-stress din, kaya magsasalita muna ako. And so as I was saying, we were so impressed. No, we were so amazed with the performance of our athletes and our coaches. All of you had done your best. So we were there, looking at the coaches, looking at the tournament managers, most especially the athletes. We were there, cheering for you. We were there, laughing. But we were also there, crying for you and crying with you. But again, what matters now is we were able to achieve our dream. One DepEd, one family. Through sports, we were able to transform the lives of all those, not only our athletes, but you have transformed my life, the lives of your superintendents, and even, it has been mentioned several times by Mayor Art, no? The big effect of this 2018 R1AA. And so I do hope that this R1AA was able to make your relationship stronger. And after this closing program, when you go back to your respective division, when you go back to your respective school or to your respective homes, you can find ways to contact the new friends that you have found here in Alaminos City. And so, I cannot close my message without thanking again and again our host city government led by Mayor Art Celeste. And of course, Vice Mayor, the entire City Council, all the officials of Alaminos City, and of course, lest I forget, I would like to take this opportunity also to thank all those who had been working, or I had read the second issue, our unsung heroes, no? Your unsung heroes, which include your cook, yung nagluto ng pagkain ninyo, yung bus driver ninyo, yung medics natin, yung tricycle driver na nakapulot ng cellphone, yung mga estudyante at teachers, kasama si Cesar na nag-i-interview, lahat ng nagdo-document, lahat ng nagbigay ng performances, lahat tayo, no? We all played our role, and that caused the success of the 2018 R1AA. And so again, thank you very much, Mayor Art. We cannot leave this place without articulating again how grateful we are for accepting the hosting, and you had made an excellent work. Together, of course, with our DepEd family based here in Alaminos City, headed by Superintendent Danny Sison and ASDS Aguido Fernandez. So lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sana, nandun na po sa second issue na nilabas. No, I hope you can get a copy of that second issue. Yung nandoon, may tanong doon. I don't know the exact, if it is possible that that Alaminos City will host again the 2018 succeeding R1AA. So, ang nakalagay doon, why not? Sabi lahat ng mga in-interview. So again, Mayor, there are, with all due respect, no, with all due respect to all our previous hosts, dahil lahat naman po ng nag-host ng R1AA. Talagang pinagbuhusan po talaga ng LGU at saka DepEd. DepEd na nag-host DepEd. With all due respect, I say, marami pong first na nangyari dito sa R1AA sa Alaminos City. For one, this is the first time that for the closing program ay talagang napakarami ng nandito. And the first time na ayun nga, wala tayo sa field, but I hope you are enjoying your stay in this very beautiful convention center. And of course, those who attended the mayor's night, we all had a blast. We appreciate the food. And of course, another first is yung singing contest. Ang daming na-discover na magagaling talaga ang mga teachers, mga school officials ng DepEd. Yun ang sinabi ni Mayor. And of course, I cannot forget our teachers who had entertained us. Lest I forget, ang Alaminos City, hindi na po known lang as the home of 100 Islands, but Alaminos City, we can safely call Alaminos City as the home of 100 talents because of our very talented teachers and our very talented learners. So, kalmado na kayo para sa next, yung presentation. O nininervyos pa kayo? Okay, so kung kalmado na kayo, I would end my message by saying, after this very beautiful experience in Alaminos City for our 2018 R1AA, let's move on to the next stage. So tomorrow, Konghae Pachoy. That's why tinapos na po natin. And again, I would like to thank all of you dahil natapos natin so that you can enjoy the Chinese New Year. Pwede kayong pumunta lahat sa Dagupan City with Mayor Belen. Okay? Of course, after that, let me again remind everybody that the next scheme, the next level is our participation and the hosting of the 2018 Palaro. And please don't forget our commitment for the 2018 Palaro. We will not only give our best for our hosting, but we will also give our best in playing the games. Okay? So with this, in the presence of all the superintendents and assistant superintendents, and in the presence of our local chief executives who are here, Mayor Art, Mayor Belen, Vice Mayor Anton, BM Matthew, Councilor Versosa, and all the local officials who are here, I hope we can find a way that we can bring our athletes, hindi lang yung mga magpa-participate sa palaro, we can bring the tournament managers, yung mga coaches, to witness the palaro in Ilocos Sur. So that you can have a feel of how the other regions participate in the palaro. Okay ba yun? So, after the palaro, we will change. Of course, again, I say, we are doing good, Pa-level up na yung R1AA natin. But after our hosting of the palaro, we will change the definitely, We'll change the landscape of our school sports in Region 1 after witnessing all the performance or the participation of all regions across the country. So, paghandaan paghandaan ng mga superintendents yan. And of course, our immediate host, Superintendent Gemma Takuykoy, please be ready. Expect that there will be lot of spectators for the Palarong Pambansa because we'll be bringing our athletes, we'll be bringing our school officials to witness the 2018 Palaro. So mabuhay po tayong lahat at maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Ma'am, for your message. Our very loving and hardworking mother in the region. Once again, shall we give another resounding applause to our Regional Director, Dr. Alma Robisi Torrio. At this point, we shall now proceed to the announcement of winners and the awarding of trophies to exceptional delegations.
For the information of everybody, R1AA Technical Committee Chair Dr. Edelberto Abalos has adopted a new awarding system this year to emphasize the real core and essence of R1AA, and that is to develop the values and characters of every athlete. Instead of the normal tallying of medal earnings, mostly of gold medals, to determine the overall ranking of each delegation, the committee will now give special awards. And these are Best Performing Delegation,
Second Best Performing Delegation,
Third Best Performing Delegation,
Best Elementary Delegation,
Best Secondary Delegation,
Most Promising Delegation,
Most Disciplined Delegation,
and Cleanest Delegation.
To announce the winners, may I call on Mr. Ramon Caniezo, Administrative Officer 4, Officer in Charge, Office of the Chief Administrative Officer, and Chairperson of Records and Results Committee.
May we call on as well our City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, together with our Regional Director, Dr. Alma Robisi Torrio, and our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolasti Capulong, with our Schools Division Superintendent in the City of Alaminos, Dr. Danilo C. Sison, to do the honors of awarding the trophies to the deserving delegations. May we also call in our City Vice Mayor Anton Perez to assist in the awarding of trophies. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to the seated in front. Good afternoon. With the power vested in me by the head of the technical committee, I have the honor to announce the winners of special awards and the top awards on this 2018 R1AA meet. First, we go to the special awards. The Cleanest Billeting Centers goes to San Fernando City. Representative or the SDS and ASDS of San Fernando City to receive the awards. For the most disciplined delegation goes to Pangasinan 1 delegation. Ma'am. And the most promising delegation goes to Alaminos City delegation. We now go to the major awards. Best Performing Elementary Delegation goes to Ilocos Norte Delegation. For the best performing secondary delegation goes to Dagupan City Delegation.
now go to the 3 best performing delegation. For the 3rd best performing delegation goes to Pangasinan 1. For the 2nd best performing delegation goes to Pangasinan 2 delegation. And now, for the 1st best performing delegation goes to Dagupan City delegation.
Congratulations, Dagupan City! For the information of everyone, the plaque of recognition was actually made from the Ikawayan project of the city of Alaminos.
Thank you very much and congratulations to all the winning delegations. A round of applause to the winning delegations once again. And also thank you very much to Mr. Ramon Caniezo, Supervising Administrative Officer, Officer in Charge, Office of the Chief Administrative Officer, Personnel Division.
This time, let's lend our ears as we listen to Dr. Danilo C. Sison, CESO 5, Schools Division Superintendent of the Host Division, for his words of gratitude. Let us please give him a resonating applause.
Thank you very much, Miriam and Larry. The VIPs in the presidential table, fellow public servants, athletes, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. At this juncture, I would like to take this opportunity and in behalf of the Division of Alaminos City, allow me to extend our sincerest thanks and gratitude to the following individuals, organizations, local government units, as well as national government offices who made this occasion a success. Of course, let me start from the provincial government of Pangasinan, led, of course, by our beloved Governor, Honorable Amado T. Espino III, who was instrumental in the construction of our oval at the Alaminos City National High School. And I would like to make special mention to the Provincial Engineering Office, led by Engineer Matet de los Santos and her wife, and all the support staff of the provincial government, of course, with the full support of the Provincial Council, led by no less than our beloved Provincial Governor, Ferdinand Kalimlim, and the members of the board. Likewise, I would like to recognize the efforts and the full support of the LGU Alaminos City family, led by our beloved City Mayor, Arthur F. Celeste. And please, my special mention to Dr. Emilio Guillado, our City Administrator. And of course, to the Office of the City Engineering, my special mention to Engineer Ranches. And the Office of the Presiding Officer of the City Council, our Vice Mayor Anton Perez, together with his council. We have a while ago, my special mention to Councilor Orange Homelde Versosa, barangay officials, from the barangay chairman down to the members of the barangay council, as well as the people of the entire barangays of Alaminos City, led by the ABC President, Honorable Raul Bacay. And likewise, I would like to take this opportunity to personally thank the DepEd Region 1 family, led by our Regional Director, Ma'am Alma Ruby C. Torio, and our Assistant Regional Director, Dr. Nicolas Capulong, together with Dr. Idel Abalos, who stayed with us from the very start of the preparation up to the final day of the competition. Likewise, the same thanks and gratitude is extended to our Congressman of the 1st District, Honorable Jesus Boyeng Celeste, and to Congressman Conrad Estrella III of the Abono Party List, together with the Chair of the Philippine Sports Commission, Chairman Butch Ramirez, who shared to us all the available sports equipment of the PSC. Likewise, I would like to recognize also the support given to us by the 2 board members of the 1st District of Pangasinan, Honorable Rene F. Sison and Honorable Napoleon Fontelera. To all the municipal mayors, city mayors of the entire Region 1, and likewise, I would like to give my personal recognition to the 13 schools division of Region 1, led by the schools division superintendents and assistant schools division superintendents. My special mention to Dagupan City for co-hosting for the event in swimming. Mayor Belen Fernandez, ma'am. And SDS Lorna Bugayong. Of course, from the division of Pangasinan 1, particularly the municipality of Mabini and municipality of Bani, Ma'am Joy Celia Fernandez, ma'am. And I would like also to recognize the presence of Board Member Mateo Marcos Manotok. And at this juncture, I don't want to commit a mortal sin without recognizing these people who were instrumental in preparing everything we used in the conduct of this event. I am referring to the different working committees, both from DepEd, SDO, Alaminos, at LGU. So as I call your name, please occupy the center so that everybody could recognize who are the people who work days and nights just to make this event possible. For the Committee on Balloting Schools, we have ASDS Aguido Fernandez, Chair, and the counterpart, Engineer Ruel Camba, Vice Chair, Dr. Arturo Arbiray, and all the members, if you are around, please join Dr. Fernandez. The Chair on Committee on Programs, both for the opening and the closing, Dr. Wilfredo Sindayan, together with our City Administrator, Dr. Emilio Giliado, and all the members of the committee, please join the group. Committee on Parade and Drum and Lyre, the Chair, Dr. Miguel Giliado, together with the LGU counterpart, Madam Mylene Manalastas, if you're around, and all the members of the committee, please join. Committee on the preparation of the playing venues. The chair, of course, is our sports supervisor, Mr. Arlene Alcantara, with the counterpart, Engineer Bonifacio Martinez, and Engineer Ranches. Please join the group. Committee on Sounds, Lights, Stage, and Backdrops, Dr. Ronald Rodok as Chair, and Mr. Rolliver Bernabe of LGU, together with all the members. Committee on Souvenir Programs and Advertisement, Dr. Elnora Tiraroque, and of course from the LGU, Madam Venus Balbua, and all the members of the committee. Committee on Food Services, Chair, Madam Villa Villanos, together with Madam Helen Contreras, and all the members, please join the group. Committee on Sports Equipment Supplies, also chaired by Mr. Alcantara, and of course, Sir Floyd Lalas, and all the members. Committee on Water Facilities and Electricity, Chair, Mr. Peralta, and of course, Engineer Wilson Rosario, and all the members. Committee on Security, Peace, and Order, Mr. Rantayo Mario, Chair, and of course, our Chief of Police, Colonel Benji Ariola, together with all the members. Committee on Medical Services and First Aid, chaired by Dr. Joanne B. Torrio and Dr. Victoria Carambas of the LGU, our City Health Unit. Committee on Reception, Assurance, Lay and Giveaways, Token, Dr. Edna Casirial, and of course from the LGU, Madam Rhea Castro, and all the members. Committee on Media and Publication, Madam Elisa Ranoy, together with Madam Balgua, and all members. Committee on Welcome Arts, Streamers, and Tarps, Dr. Adolfo Medrano, together with Sir Vic Jerome Bergonia of the LGU, and all the members. Committee on Finance, Ways and Means, Mr. Nelson Nakar, and of course, our City Administrator, Dr. Emilio Guiliado. Committee on Special Events, the Chair, Dr. Orlando Guerrero, and of course, our City Tourism Officer, Dr. Miguel Sison, and all the members, of course, Madam Talanya, and Sir Mon Tablang. Committee of Transportation and Shuttle, Mr. Ricardo Adviento, and from the LGU, Mr. Marianito Astronomia, and all the members. And Committee on IT Computer Services, Mr. Carlo Agustin, and from the LGU, Mr. Ronnie Rakrakin, and the last but not the least, our Committee on Awards and Pinners, Dr. Alita Bigonia, and of course, from the LGU, Dr. Guiliado and Sir Mont Tablang and the members. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's clap for all these people who made this event possible, our working committees. Please take a bow. Thank you very much. And again, in behalf of the Alaminos City Division and in behalf of our local government unit led by our beloved City Mayor Art Celeste, I would like to say thank you very much for coming, and most of all, we reiterate Alaminos City ay para sa lahat, so you are always welcome to come back here, particularly in visiting our beloved 100 Islands, the home of 100 talents and reasons for services. Good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Sir Danny. Thanks as well to all the people behind the success of this big event. Once again, shall we please give our host schools division superintendent another resounding applause and our loudest clap for all the 14 delegations for this year's R1AA.
To all the athletes who will represent our region in Palarong Pambansa 2018, good luck. Thank you very much.
God bless Alaminos City.
God bless Region 1.
Agbiag ka, Region 1.